a pre-Disney trip haul. I am going to Disney World in just 2 days. This is a very, very short trip. By the time you see this video, I'm either there or already back. This is a very short trip, like I said. I'm only there for 2 full days, and then I have 2 travel days on each end. I'm going with 3 of my girlfriends. We are going to see all the 50th anniversary stuff. We're going to see Harmonious. We're going to see Disney Enchantment. We're eating a Space 220. We're eating a Steakhouse 71. We're going to the dessert party. I think that's it. Oh, and we're gonna test out the new Genie Plus and Lightning Lane. I think that's all. I know that's a lot, like in 2 full park days and then 2 half days. It's crazy, but I have some things that I picked up for this trip. A couple of things I picked up for a previous trip, but I haven't shown them to you. So let's just jump in. The first thing I got, we'll just start with the big stuff, is this backpack. This is a Dooney & Bourke, and this is Jared, I think it's Marimoa. I'm probably butchering that, and I apologize. He does all that like Kingdom of Cute stuff for Disney. This was the backpack that came out very recently. I ordered this on Shop Disney. This sucker was expensive. It was $268, which was like, oh. But I actually think I'm going to sell part of my collection, some of my Loungefly bags, because I feel like I'm going to use this a little bit more. This is a smaller bag, but it has lots of pockets. I'm really excited to try it out in the park. I love the design. I feel like I got super lucky on the placement. Snow White is like one of my favorites, and she's front and center. The castle, I love Orange Bird. Haunted Mansion's my husband's favorite. We have Mr. Toad, which I love, and then Churros, and then right here, here's the old ticket book, like with the ABCDE ticket attractions. You got to be an oldie to know what that means, but that's super cool. So it has a big opening. The zipper goes pretty far down, and it has a couple of pockets on the inside. So it has a back pocket here and then a front pocket. And then on the back, it has this, which is nice to put your phone. And then it has another little pocket right there in the front. The straps are leather, which I'm excited about, but I know in the rain, they're probably gonna spot. Has this cute like little luggage tag that says what it is. So I am only bringing 1 bag for this trip since it's so short. We'll see how that works out. I haven't packed yet, but that is my goal, to only bring 1 bag. Usually I bring 1 for each day. So let's see how that is. The next thing I got is this little 3/4 zip pullover. This is from Shimmering Ever After. I ordered it. It came really, really quick. And it has the Disney annual pass holder, the new annual pass holder logo for Walt Disney World. I know I don't really need a pullover to go to Disney, but our flight is at 6 a.m. It leaves at 6 a.m. So we need to leave here. I live 45 minutes from the airport. So we're gonna leave here about 4 o'clock in the morning. It's gonna be cold. So I need the pullover, so that's why I got that. Although I live in Michigan and it's cold here most of the year. So this, I've already worn it multiple times, but excited about that. And I got some new t-shirts. I only got 2 new shirts for this trip. This one, we are gonna wear to Magic Kingdom. My girlfriends and I all got matching shirts. These are on Etsy from a shop called Stardust Designs US. I will go ahead and link everything that I can in the description box below. Aren't these cute? So we each got like a different color shirt, and then it all has the same design on there, and it says 1971, 50th anniversary, Walt Disney World. Love that. And then I also got a shirt, and I ordered the wrong size. It's fine. It's kind of huge, but I'll make it work. It says cheers, beers, and mini ears. So I'm going to wear this to Epcot, but as you can see, like, it's really big, but it'll be fine. I'm either going to knot it, or I think I'm going to do like a front tuck and wear that. And then I think I'm going to try, we'll see how it goes, to only bring 1 pair of ears for this trip, which would be these. So I would wear that. Next, I got a new toiletry bag. This is from eBags. I got it on Amazon though because it was going to ship faster, but this is the large flat toiletry bag. I'm like forever on the quest for a good toiletry bag. I have one if I'm gonna check my bag that I love for longer trips, it fits everything. But for shorter trips, I feel like they're either too small or too big, and everyone raves about this. So over here it has a pocket that has the wipeable, and that's a pretty big pocket. And then it has 2 smaller pockets over here. I feel like in one I'll put like my makeup brushes maybe. I don't know, and I don't know what I'll put in the other. And then the middle part, so it can hang, and it has a mirror, which I think I'm going to take out because the mirror's kind of heavy, and I don't need a mirror. But it has a hook so it can hang, and then it has a little pouch down here, and then down here it has these are elastic and they're separated, so you can put like, I don't know, bottles or something in there. I don't know how this is going to work, because my plan is to carry on my bag. So I wanted a small toiletry bag, but then maybe this is too big. I don't know. And then it has another pocket down here, like a little zip pocket. So we'll see how this works. I think I'm actually going to film a packing video. I've gotten a couple of requests lately for an updated packing video. So I think I'm going to film that, and then I'll show you this in action because I'm not 100% on it yet. But I like that like everything is in there and kind of folds flat. So you can just put it, so because it's so wide, you know, you can just put it on top of your suitcase. So we'll see how that works out. The next thing I got is a collapsible water bottle. I don't have one of these. We usually buy bottled water and bring it into the park. I'll be honest, I'm going to go cheap on this trip because I'm spending so much money on food for this trip. So I thought, well, I can just refill this water bottle. So the thing I like about this is, I think I need to get the air out of it, but it collapses. Do you see that? And then it has this little string, and then oops. Okay, so then it hooks like that, and then it's just a flat water bottle, so it's nice for the suitcase because it doesn't take up a lot of room. And then when it's not like full, I can just throw it in my bag and it's not going to take up a lot of room. And then I figure with this little thing, I guess I should take the air out of it. With this little thing, I can potentially use a carabiner and hook it onto my bag. We'll see how heavy it gets with water in there, but pick that up off of Amazon. I did get a new magic band for this trip. I got the 50th anniversary. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw when this came, and I had it on my stories. I feel like everybody has seen this now, but I went ahead and picked this up for the pre-order, you know, for the magic band that you get with your trip. Then I got this. Isn't that cute? So you're like, what is that? This is a case for your earbuds. My earbuds are downstairs charging, but I have a honey pot, like a Winnie the Pooh honey pot, but I got this at Five Below. I thought they were so cute. So it has a little carabiner, so I'm probably going to switch out my earbud case for that. Next, I got these lanyards, and they go on your mask. So here's one of my masks. My girlfriend made this for me, and then it just clips on to your mask like so. And then I just put it, I put it around my neck and I wear it like this. It sucks for pictures because I have to take it off because I don't want this like mask hanging. But because you do have to wear a mask indoors, but not outdoors, I feel like you like are taking your mask on and off quite frequently. And so I think that the lanyard really just helps that you're not like putting it in your pocket, or I lost my mask, or, you know, it fell on the floor or whatever. It just keeps it right there. These are from Amazon. It came in a pack of like 6 or 8, all different colors. I got these actually for our last trip, but I wanted to share them because I think they're just clutch, and so many people stopped and were like, where did you get those? I'm like, Amazon. So wanted to share that. Next, I got a new band for my, I almost said magic band, for my Apple Watch. I'm wearing a different one right now, but I have a ton of these, but I just picked this up off of Etsy from a store called La Petite Detail Store. I just thought it was really cute and just perfect for the 50th. It has the castle and all kinds of snacks, so I thought that would be fun. And then kind of along those same lines for my watch, I got some charms, which I've never had charms for my watch before. I got these from, I think it's called That Mouse on Main Street. I'll link it down below. So I got a couple of them. I got this one, which is like the purple lemonade. And that's really for flower and garden, but I picked it up. I'm not going to wear it on this trip. And then I got this one. This is really why I ordered them, was this 50th anniversary charm, which is so cute. I love it. And then also, just because, I got this. It is a little red truck with a tree in it with a little Mickey Mouse on the door for Christmas. And this one's actually like a slider, so that one is a little bit different. And these are just like little charms. This one actually like screws in, whereas the little purple lemonade one. It just has like a little button. So you can also use these on your magic band. I guess they also fit in the little holes of your magic band. I'll probably just put it on my watch, but I guess that's kind of cute too. Next, I got some new shoes. These are Crocs. These are like the slides. I've had these for a couple of months now. I love them. I got them in black. I got these from Zappos, but the Crocs store also sells them, or crocs.com. And I'm going to attempt to wear these in the park. I like them because they're not like the typical Croc. I have the typical Croc. You know, I feel like the opinion on those is so polarizing, but mine are like pink. They're like cotton candy pink. It's kind of a lot. So I thought that these would be better. And then I have all these charms. So I got these charms from our last trip. I think, did I do a haul? I think I did a haul video on that. And I put them in, and then my son stole some of them. Not stole, but like put them in his own Crocs. So then I ended up ordering more charms. Gibbets is what they're called. So I have these, and then we went a little crazy. My son wanted more, and we ordered more from Zappos. There's more on crocs.com that I want. We actually went to the Crocs store and picked up more. So now we have like 500 of these charms. Not really. We probably have like 20 of them. I think I'm just going to take a picture and just insert a picture of all the ones because I don't want to like go through and show you every one of them. So I'm going to wear these in the parks. We're going to see how that goes. I feel like it rubs a little bit right here on my shoe. So I did get something for that. So I went to Walmart and I got two different things. I got these corn cushions. I don't have corns, but I feel like if I put that right there on my foot, it will help where it rubs. I also just got moleskin. I may end up just putting the moleskin over that part of my foot so it doesn't rub. I've worn these quite a bit, but I've never worn them like walking 10 miles. So I'm not quite sure how that's going to go. I think I'm going to wear them to Magic Kingdom, and I think I'm actually going to bring tennis shoes and then get a locker at the front and put my tennis shoes in the locker. It's like $10 for a locker. And then if I have to change my shoes, I have to change my shoes, but got that. Okay, just a few more random pieces and we're done. I got some Bonine. The older I get motion sick, like pretty bad. And a lot of the rides, I know they're not even like that crazy, but like Space Mountain and Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, ugh, they just make me so sick. So I do really well. Pre-COVID, we cruised. And I get sick on cruise ships too, and this has really helped me out. I got this at Walmart, and these are these chewables? Yeah, these are chewables. I don't love the chewables. I like the pills. This is becoming harder and harder to find, but I picked up some of that. I'll take it every day. I even take it the day we fly because if it's a little bit turbulent, I get sick on the plane. So got that. Totally random. I just picked up some more wet wipes. These have been a little hard to find lately. I actually got a few packs of them. I have hand sanitizer, and I will attach it to my bag, those like little things from Bath & Body Works, because I'm finding that in the parks, hand sanitizer is just harder and harder to find. I do wash my hands frequently at the park, but I like to sanitize before and after I go on every ride, and I might go on a couple rides in between like actually washing my hands. So, and I like these for, you know, just to have. And then super random, I found this at Walmart. I love these like little toothpicks, and I have a case. I don't like to just put them in a plastic bag. I have a case for mine, but the case only fits one size, and I don't have that size of toothpicks. What are they called? Toothpicks? Not toothpicks. Floss picks? Floss picks. Anyway, I picked that up, and now I'm seeing there's like these random flossers. I don't know about that. We'll see how that works. Yeah. Alright, so that's my pre-Disney trip haul. A little random, not a ton of stuff, but I just wanted to share with you because I love watching these videos, and hopefully you do too. I will be vlogging this trip, and I think I'm actually going to go out of order because I have 3 other trips that I need to finish editing, that I've started editing but haven't put up yet because I was trying to finish the whole series. Anyway, I think that because this is a short trip, I think I'm probably going to edit these videos, these vlogs I should say, and get them up out of order before the other ones. So if you want to see my girls trip vlogs with all of these amazing things that I'm really excited about seeing, please subscribe. Please tell me in the comments below which item that I picked up is your favorite. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!